Replacing a door is an important upgrade that affects your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. For Coppell homeowners, choosing the right door material is just as important as selecting the right style. With changing seasonal weather, daily use, and long-term durability to consider, understanding how different door materials perform helps ensure your replacement door meets your needs now and in the future. Why door material matters in Coppell. Coppell experiences hot summers, cooler winters, and periods of rain and wind. Exterior doors must withstand these conditions while maintaining their appearance and performance. The right door material helps prevent drafts, resists moisture, improves insulation, and supports long-term reliability. Choosing wisely can reduce maintenance needs and enhance daily comfort. Fiberglass doors. A versatile and durable option, fiberglass doors are a popular choice for Coppell homes due to their durability and adaptability. They resist warping, cracking, and swelling, even in changing temperatures. For Coppell homeowners, fiberglass doors provide strong insulation and can mimic the appearance of wood without the ongoing maintenance. They are well suited for busy households that want long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are known for their strength and security. They provide excellent protection against forced entry and perform well in varying weather conditions. In Coppell homes, steel doors offer reliable insulation and durability. While they may require occasional attention to prevent dents or scratches, their strength makes them a solid choice for homeowners prioritizing security. Wood doors. Timeless appeal with added care. Wood doors offer natural beauty and classic appeal that many homeowners love. They can enhance the appearance of traditional or upscale Coppell homes. However, wood doors require more maintenance to protect against moisture and temperature changes. Coppell homeowners choosing wood doors should be prepared for regular sealing or refinishing to preserve their appearance and performance. Composite doors. Balanced performance and design. Composite doors combine materials such as wood fibers and resins to deliver strength, insulation, and style. For Coppell homeowners, composite doors offer a balance between durability and aesthetic flexibility. They resist moisture better than traditional wood while still offering a refined look. Considering insulation and energy performance, door materials play a major role in how well your home maintains indoor temperatures. Insulated doors help reduce heat transfer and prevent drafts. In Coppell homes, choosing a door material with strong insulation properties contributes to better indoor comfort and reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Maintenance requirements and lifestyle fit. Each door material comes with different maintenance needs. Some require minimal care, while others need regular attention. Coppell homeowners should consider how much time they want to spend on upkeep when selecting door materials. Low maintenance options are ideal for busy lifestyles, while higher maintenance materials may suit those who value specific aesthetics. Matching door material to home style. The right door material should complement your home's architecture. Modern homes may benefit from sleek fiberglass or steel doors, while traditional homes often pair well with wood or wood-look materials. In Coppell neighborhoods, selecting a door material that aligns with the home's design enhances curb appeal and overall value. Professional installation ensures best results. Even the best door material won't perform properly without professional installation. Proper alignment, sealing, and hardware installation are essential. For Coppell homeowners, professional installation ensures the chosen door material delivers comfort, durability, and security as intended. Making the right choice for your Coppell home. Choosing the right door material is a key step in a successful door replacement project. By considering durability, maintenance, insulation, and design, Coppell homeowners can select a door that fits their lifestyle and enhances their home. With the right material and professional installation, a new door becomes a long-term investment in comfort, security, and peace of mind.